Hello, I'm Shlomo Meital. I'm speaking with Ayala Rosenbaum. Shalom, Ayala.
Hi, Shlomo.
Ayala is a product manager for Waycare. And Ayala, you have a really interesting background. You have a journey from cognitive science to artificial intelligence to traffic safety. Tell us a bit about yourself and your journey.
Yes, so it's true. In my degree, I studied cognitive science, and I also studied a special program in the Hebrew University of Humanities and Research. And I think my journey led me to product management because I'm really interested in how people think and how they react in the world. This is the reason I went and studied cognitive science. And I think my job in product management is kind of understanding the human behavior and trying to make products and features that will bring people to maximize their enjoyment and take technology and bring it to people in a way that will be most usable and fun for them to have. So
Ayala, you kind of had a vision from the start that you would be making things for people to use, but you needed to understand how people think in order to do that properly. Is that right?
yeah, so I'm not sure that I thought in the beginning that I will create products for people. I wanted to understand them and how they think and how they behave. And I really love technology. And kind of when I finished my studies, everything kind of came together. And I found myself in product management, which is a field, an area that I really love and enjoy. It kind of takes everything together, and it's even adding some creativity and design to it. So directions that I didn't thought in the beginning that I'll enjoy, and I really enjoy it as well. So I was fortunate to find this path, and I'm really excited on continue walking in.
So I'm a retired professor, Ayala, and I taught innovation for many years. And I have a big beef or argument with all the product designers who have no clue about ordinary people, how to simplify, how to make things beautiful, usable, friendly, especially older people. Cell phones for older people, give me a break. So I salute you and your background in cognitive science. Ayala, you're a product manager for Waycare and you're working on 2.0. Tell us about the new release or the new product that you're working on.
Yeah, so I joined Waycare as a product designer in a very exciting time. We're working on, as you said, Waycare, what we call Waycare 2.0, which is a new version or the next generation of our platform. We took all the capabilities and the amazing features that we gave our customers already, and we kind of redesigned and rethought them in a way that will improve and give an additional value to our customers, both from the technological perspective, the infrastructure, and the way the system behaves behind the scenes, and also in the UX and then in the UI and the experience that the user have when they're using the system. So it was very fun time for me to join Waycare. What we're doing is, like I said, we're taking the value that we already bring in this new release, and we are improving it and making it even more valuable and more friendly to our users.
So maybe you can give us a clue. So I'm picturing the Waycare screen in front of a police car, in a police car with the police watching this single screen, and you've taken all these multiple screens and taken the information and compressed it into one screen. What more can you do? What more can you improve on this beautiful simple screen?
So if you took, for example, police interaction with our system, police troopers are normally using tablets in their day-to-day. They're on the field in their units. And for example, in the old platform, we had interact or interface, sorry, for the tablet that was kind of derived from our web interface. It means in this new release, we took the tablet interface and we redesigned it completely in order to maximize the tablet capabilities and to have the interaction of the users much more suitable to the tablet and to the working that they need to do on the field. And this is just one example. So we took the same information, the same capabilities, same features and interactions that they had and need to have in their system, but we kind of redesigned it, gave it a little bit of extra thought and made it even more suitable to their needs. And again, this is just one design. We did the same for the web interface. For each one of the features, we kind of took features. We had a lot of feedback from our customers during the time that we worked with them. We integrated this feedback, improved the feature, added additional fields, changed some flows and interactions. And as I said, this is only from my product and design perspective. We also did a lot of work in the infrastructure to make the system more solid and scalable, a lot less lagging and much more smoother interaction with our data interfaces. So even from the backstage, we had a lot of improvements that the user will feel, if not necessarily know to put the finger on what exactly changed.
Got it. So one of the principles of good design, I think, is that you take all the complexity. Waycare's product is very complex, but all of that complexity is backstage. It's behind where the police cruiser doesn't see it, and the interface. That's what the people use. That's where the simplicity comes in. So I understand your basic philosophy. One last question, Ayala. So we're all working from home. Many of us are working from home. How in the world does a product manager interact, interface, talk to people, gather information from your lovely apartment in Tel Aviv?
So it's definitely a challenge. I work with a lot of people in different positions in the company. I have a small advantage because I live in Tel Aviv and I work here in the offices of Waycare in Tel Aviv, and a lot of our customers are in the US. So I had a little bit of experience with working with the, overseas people and creating communication even from afar. But it's very difficult. We try to have a lot of Zoom conversation and phone calls and try to create this human interaction, even though in spite of the distance and the isolation that we have in this period. It's not easy, but we do what we can, and I think we're doing pretty well despite these difficulties.
So Ayala, it's been interesting to chat with you, even briefly. I wish you great success. Thanks for taking the time to tell us about your journey and your function at Waycare. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Lomo. Bye-bye.
Bye.